Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to redraft a truth on Truth Social on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Truth Social, also have composed a collection of truths within your account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go over onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to truthsocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut to take us to the website itself. Make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now click on Compose. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use a trial truth. So let's say hello. Computer Science Videos. Let's click on truth. And now that's gone. View the truth posted. Go back one. And now let's redraft this post. So what this will do, it deletes the current truth and allows us to delete and redraft. Let's now add an emoji. Truth. View the truth. So the previous truth that we had composed has been deleted and redrafted to a new truth, which I think is a very good idea, as there are some individuals who like to scroll back at their truths, and let's say if they ever required to change what they had said in the past, they can now do that. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.